Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can fix the OBS Studio not recognizing or picking up your microphone issue or problem in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, launch OBS, and what you want to do first is make sure that the microphone you're using, for example, for your device is attached to your computer, and also that it has the newest drivers, of course. So I don't know which microphone you're using, but go ahead, check if it's using the newest drivers, for example, to rule out any driver related issues, and if necessary simply download and install them on your device. So in the next step, guys, what you want to do is here in OBS Studio is navigate to your audio settings and check if everything is set up correctly there. So click into settings here in the bottom right, navigate to audio, and what you want to do, guys, is go through that menu here, and under or next to mic auxiliary audio, make sure that your microphone is enabled. And also the correct one selected, not disabled. As you can see, it is disabled for me. So I would need to fix this by enabling my microphone here. As you can see, you can use several microphones, but if you're using one, make sure that's set as the main auxiliary audio or mic here. Don't forget to click into apply here in the bottom right corner. Also, guys, don't forget to make sure that you haven't enabled push to talk, and if you have, simply disable it here. So if you, for example, can't hear yourself or your recordings through your mic on OBS, and that's basically it. So let me click into OK. And what you want to do in the next step, guys, is check your microphone's sensitivity here in the audio mixer on OBS. So as you can see, I'm currently speaking with that slider here. So you may simply work with that slider here and listen to your voice if it is detectable or not, and simply adjust if needed. Also make sure that you're not muted here, of course, and also make sure that the volume is not locked. So that's basically the 4 ways how you can check if your OBS Studio is using and recognizing your device's microphone. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.